This is the Cesar 24 count variety pack. This is the meat flavors. You get chicken, porterhouse steak, beef recipe, and filet mignon. My dog absolutely loves Cesar food, and it's great that you can get it in a case with 4 different flavors. So he's got a little bit of variety. He's a little guy. I cut it into thirds. Something like this will last me at least a month. Each package is 3.5 ounces. I wouldn't say resealable, but it has a nice tinfoil lid on here that I could fold over after I cut him his slices off, and I could put it back in the fridge for him. You know, something like this would be great for a big dog as a topper, you know, but for little dogs, it's a great meal. And this stuff's made in the USA. They use chicken and they use beef as their #1 ingredients. It's got all kinds of vitamins and minerals in it for dogs. I love getting it in a case. The case has a nice handle on the side. Makes it easier to carry if you need to, and it comes in these individual trays right here. They sit in here if you wanted to put them on the counter for your dog and pull them out however you want to do it, put it in your pantry. But what I would suggest is cutting the bottom of the box open right here and sliding the box off, and that makes them stay in place and makes it easier to get out of there. He eats it every day. I put it in the microwave for him because I'm that guy. Cesar 24 count variety pack. Fantastic.